decking fixings. We have a series of decking fixings that can be used to support M&E services from the underside of composite metal floor decking. And that suits all of certainly the major UK composite decking manufacturers, including the likes of names you've probably heard of, such as SMD, Structural Metal Decks, Construction Metal Forming or CMF, Kingspan, Tata, and Hares Decking. Key features of the products. Well, as discussed, for fitting M&E services, we cover all of the main manufacturers, and it is quite rare that we come across a decking that we can't fix into. Importantly, the decking fixings are UK, CA, and CE marked. We have fire testing for the decking fixings, and I'm going to come on to what that means shortly. But it offers a solution which is a zero impact method. It also avoids any delamination of the decking, the metal decking from the concrete itself. Now, importantly, we're not drilling into the concrete at all in any capacity, which can be a problem on site for two reasons. Firstly, strictly speaking, contractors should actually check with the engineer whether they are permitted to drill through the decking itself. By drilling holes in the decking, it can affect the overall performance of the decking from a fire perspective. So it is advisable to check that from the get-go. But secondly, and perhaps most importantly, by drilling into the soffit, you're obviously releasing a significant amount of dust which can fall onto the operative that's doing the drilling itself. And certainly there are a number of the largest main contractors in the UK that want their subcontractors to avoid drilling at all costs, to avoid any potential exposure to silica dust by those operatives. And silica dust is a known carcinogen and a significant risk on site. So we're completely avoiding that by using a decking wedge. Last thing to say on that as well is that we also offer on-site capacity checks. So if you do need us to come to site and check the load capacities of any fixings, that is a service that we offer. So here we have a range of our decking fixings, and as you can see there, the majority of them are fire rated as well.